Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Kona charging port. To begin, ensure your vehicle is unlocked. The charging port is located on the rear driver's side of the vehicle. Simply press the charging port door firmly, and it should pop open. This grants you immediate access to connect your charging cable easily and efficiently, preparing your Kona for a quick charge. If the charging port doesn't open immediately, don't worry. First, confirm your Kona is fully powered off. Sometimes, a small amount of ice or debris can prevent the door from opening. Gently check around the edges for any obstructions. Applying light, even pressure can often help release a slightly stuck door, ensuring smooth access for charging. Once the charging port is open, you're ready to connect. Carefully remove the protective cap from the port. Take your charging cable and align its connector with the port's opening. Push the cable in firmly and steadily until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms a secure connection, and your Kona should begin charging. When your Kona is charged, it's time to disconnect. First, press the release button located on the charging cable connector. While holding the button, pull the cable straight out from the port. Finally, gently push the charging port door closed until it latches securely. This protects the port from elements and keeps your Kona ready for its next adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.